Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today's video is going to be a fall inspired acrylic nails tutorial. Let's get started. First, we're going to remove her acrylic design that was previously by removing her crystals with a used cuticle nipper. This is specifically used for removing crystals. Be very careful when you do this because you can hurt your client if you do it incorrectly. Remove the crystals by holding on to them. Moving to removing the design using our cone ceramic drill bit that will be included in our nail drill that is now available to purchase. I said it. We have our nail drills now available for you guys. You guys are gonna love this cone drill bit. I love this drill bit for fills, for anything, because it removes the acrylic so smoothly. And just look at this. It's ceramic, it doesn't heat up. Although I do recommend you to remove your thumb from your glove as far so you can continuously touch your client's nail bed to prevent it from heating up. But this cone bit is amazing. As you can see, it removes the acrylic design so easily. Well, any design actually, because I've removed acrylic with this and it's so smooth. And you won't cut your client because it's a cone safety bit. And I just love it. Look how smooth it removes everything. You guys are gonna love it. Check it out on our website. It's available now, and most importantly, the color is gorgeous. You guys are gonna see. Now moving on to the nail prep, the most important part of our nails, we are going to be pushing with our magic wand, pushing her cuticles gently, of course, to not hurt her. If you guys need to remove any dead skin on the nail, you can use the other side of the nail wand. Then using our fine drill bit, we are going in and removing and etching the whole nail. We're pretty much removing the natural nail shine and etching the whole entire nail for better adherence. I just do it very carefully. As you see, we are not going in very harshly. We do not want to create any harsh lines or fire burns, nothing like that. As careful as we possibly can because we are trying to protect their nail bed. This is actually her natural nail already, so I am so in love with her nail length. So it's best to just very carefully do this process. Of course, this is all sped up, so definitely don't think that it's done super fast. And then going in with our cuticle nippers, we are removing and gently, carefully doing so. Her pretty much cuticle, any dead skin, she really doesn't have that much. So I'm just cleaning up her cuticle. I wish she did because I love and enjoy cutting cuticle, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Now using our cuticle bit that is also gonna be included in the nail drill. You guys, this drill is coming full package and you guys are gonna love it. I'm gonna show you guys how it is. I actually did an unboxing video of it and you guys are gonna see the beauty of this drill. You guys can purchase it. You guys are gonna love it. Now sanitizing with any disinfecting, dehydrator, whatever you guys wanna use, using a manicure brush going downward. And that manicure cuticle bit actually cleans up the cuticle a little bit more, and the better you have your nail bed prep, the better adherence you're going to have for your acrylic. Now using our dehydrator, we're going to dehydrate our nail for the nail to remove any oils from the nail plate, and only on the natural nail, the fill part, and a primer as well. Using our number 16 acrylic brush that you are able to purchase now. I love this brush. This is my all-time favorite number, the number 16 Kolinsky brush. If you are more used to a smaller brush, you can also purchase the 12 or the 16. This is a crimped brush, that's why it's kind of flat, so I love it. It's amazing. We are starting off with our bead and dragging it down towards the free edge. As you can see, we are using only the belly of the brush to practically build the nail. I use this method to where I build and shape the nail because honestly, when you have a perfect foundation, you do not have to file as much as if you wouldn't perfect it before filing. So believe me guys, prep and acrylic application saves so much time if you do it correctly when it comes down to filing. So take your time with this. Of course, this is all sped up, but make sure you're cleaning your brush with liquid in between each, wipe. You guys need to make sure you guys know what's clean or not. When it starts to get tacky and bulky, you guys need to clean your brush because you guys do not want a bulky acrylic brush. You guys want a perfect, clean application. This is another reason why I don't worry too much about shaping the nail beforehand, like the filing portion of it, because I'm going to shape the nail with the acrylic. As you guys can see, there's really no reason for me to shape it beforehand unless I really need to, just because I'm going to shape it and I'm going to pretty much add acrylic onto it, so that would change the shape in a sense. And if you guys are not following us on Instagram, definitely do so. We post a lot of daily content on there, and you guys do not want to miss out on short little clips, tips, things and such. Now related, TikTok as well. Check us out. We are on all social media platforms, and you guys do not want to miss. We actually just launched our Spanish one too, so check that out. Now, grabbing our 100/180 nail file, the half moon, our favorite one, because it's just so perfect. We are filing the side walls, and as you guys can see, I'm grabbing her finger very carefully, holding on to it very well, using my finger as her protectant so I won't cut her. Before using her files, or in any other file you use, you need to season your files because they are sharp. After doing so, you file the sidewalls, turn them around, make sure everything is straight. Guys, shaping makes or breaks the nail. You guys need to understand this. A well-shaped nail is flawless, like just beautiful. Now going in with our fine or medium carbide drill bit, whatever your preference. Using a speed of 18 or 19, or your preference, of course. We are filing from cuticle, around the cuticle, then the zone 1, 2, and 3, and always look at every single angle of the nail, because your client is going to look at every angle. Your nail is going to be flawless when you do look at every angle. What I tell my students is, if you were to get your nails done, how would you want them? That's how you should do people's nails. Do as unto others as you like to be done to you. So think about it like that. Using, again, electric nail file with our fine sanding band, we are going to pretty much just perfect the surface, because of sometimes the drill leaves a little bit of ridges. And as you can see, this is another thing why I cut the thumb off my glove, because I can touch the surface properly, make sure everything is smooth and perfect. And you can also do this with the hand file if you want, but both work both ways. And remember, guys, if you guys see that something is a little off, always go back to your nail file. Don't think that it's done and done until you put those hands in the nail lamp. Even after, you can still fix it a little bit. Just do what you gotta do to make them perfect. Now, I flip the hand over to make sure I'm filing this portion straight. Everybody has a different preference. Our preference is this one, and I put my finger behind her now so it won't be flimsy. And just make sure, flip them around and make sure they're straight. Now I grab one of our buffers, the gray one, and just lightly buff the edges, because these can be very sharp. Now either have your client wash your hands, or just use Swipe or any other disinfectant to clean their nails. With our manicure brush, we are swiping. With our manicure brush, we're wiping downward. Now, using the best of the best gel base coat, Artistry Nails gel base coat. I love this thing. It's amazing. It makes your nails just, the gel just applies so much smoother and obviously makes it last a lot longer. And we are using any color of nude for these 3 fingers. These are gorgeous. We cure that for 30 seconds and do 2 coats of the nude. Now using our 91 beige, we are using 2 coats of this, but as you can see, 1 coat is flawlessly perfect. Obviously, we wanted more coverage, but our polishes, guys, you guys need to try them. They are absolutely amazing. The consistency is just perfect. And we will be having a Black Friday sale, so stay tuned for that as well. Like I said, check out our Instagram. We'll be posting everything there and here as well on the shorts. This is actually the 2nd coat of our 91 beige. And look at that, super beautiful. And remember, make sure you're cleaning up your nails with a manicure brush and acetone for that flawless application. Now using a striping brush, we are grabbing the number 91 and creating only a half French. And you guys can grab balance using the pinky. That helps me to be more steady with the nail, and it just helps me a lot with any art or anything to do with lining. Hopefully that helps a lot. Doing the same with the other finger, we are creating an actual French on this finger. And like I said, follow us on Instagram and TikTok. We're also on Twitter, Vero, and YouTube, of course. All social media, Facebook. Now we're doing the opposite of the ring finger on this finger. Always make sure they're very well structured. Makes the nail look a little better. So definitely consider that when it comes to nail design. Now grabbing our reflective gold glitter number 7. These glitters are amazing, guys. If you guys are not trying them out, check them out. They're on our website, of course, and obviously more colors. They are gorgeous. This is our most used. The gold is so beautiful. We're going to outline pretty much the French, and it's so subtle yet a gorgeous design. You guys are going to see what I mean by that. When light flashes on our gold reflective glitters, you guys don't understand the amount of shine it has. Now using our No Wipe Top Coat, we are applying it on all our nails and curing for 60 seconds in the LED lamp. Look at that, simply just that is gorgeous. Now we're going to create our sweater weather design. After being cured the top coat, we are grabbing the 91 again, creating whatever design your heart desires. In this case, we're doing this little sweater weather effect. And before curing into the LED, we are grabbing our clear acrylic and just grabbing a cuticle pusher and throwing acrylic on top of it, then curing and removing the dust. Doing the same thing with the pinky, we are creating hearts in this one. Such a gorgeous, very cute design, guys. It's a fall inspired look and I couldn't be more happy with the results. Like I said, once you are satisfied with your design, you throw clear acrylic, then cure the clear powder on top of the polish and dust it off, and you will be set. Nothing else after that. We added a little bit of crystals. Like I said, guys, you guys are going to be able to purchase the nail drill tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. You guys are going to love this nail drill and a little bit more other things as well. So keep an eye out for everything as well as our Black Friday sale. Again, you guys are amazing, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and tutorial. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We will see you in our next video. Till next time.